In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove checkboxes from Google Sheets spreadsheet. If you've got a sheet full of checkboxes you no longer need, the process to clear them is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you can clean up your data with confidence. First, open your spreadsheet and navigate to the tab where the checkboxes are located. Give the sheet a moment to load so everything is visible. If you're working in a busy document, it can help to zoom in slightly so the checkboxes are easier to see and select accurately. Next, highlight the cells that contain the checkboxes you want to remove. You can do this by clicking and dragging across a range, like a block of rows and columns. If all the checkboxes are in a single column, click the column header to select the entire column at once. If your checkboxes are scattered, hold down Control on Windows or Command on Mac and click each cell individually to build a multi-selection. To select a larger area that includes many checkboxes, click the first cell, hold Shift, and click the last cell in the range. Take a moment to double-check your selection so you don't clear cells you still need. With the checkboxes highlighted, press Backspace on your keyboard. On some keyboards, this might be labeled Delete. Either key works for this action. In a moment, you'll see the checkboxes disappear from the selected cells, leaving the cells blank. If you notice any checkboxes you missed, just add them to your selection and press Backspace again. If you change your mind or cleared more than you intended, use the Undo shortcut to bring everything back. That's Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. You can step backward multiple times if needed. A quick tip. If you're removing a large number of checkboxes across multiple areas, it's often faster to select big chunks at once using column or row headers, and then refine by deselecting any areas you want to keep. Also, make sure you're working on the correct sheet tab, especially if your file has several similar-looking sheets. That's all there is to it. Open your spreadsheet, highlight the cells with the checkboxes you don't want, and press Backspace to remove them. This simple cleanup makes your data easier to read and reduces distractions as you continue working. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section if you want to follow along step by step.